This puzzle is not what it seems. It may look like the puzzle is solved, but if any of these pieces can slide off the frame, that means the puzzle is not solved. What you want to do is actually link these pieces together so that when you pull on one piece, it will not come off the frame and the other pieces are locking it into place. Now we can try switch these around in a few different ways, but if any of these pieces can slide off, no matter what it is, it's not solved. This is a Trimini Frame puzzle. To get the puzzle for yourself, go get it at puzzlemaster.ca. To solve this puzzle, we have to start off with this piece up at the top, and then next we can take this piece and interlock it together with that one. Over here, we're going to use this one in the corner so that nothing can slide out this side. Then if we take this piece, we can flip it onto the bottom. Next, we can take this piece and place it in over here, and that secures this piece into place. Then I can take this piece and place it in over here so it can't slide out the side. Next, I can place this piece in like this, and finally this triangle to lock everything into the frame. And now none of these pieces can just slide off the frame. To see another cool puzzle solved like this, click the video right there.